After the revolutionary dust had settled, the old order was restored for the time being. But while the revolution could neither accomplish unification nor liberation of Germany, it had not been a complete failure and made lasting changes to German politics. The new judicial system of jury courts that had been established remained in place, and the new relative freedom of the press led to a multitude of new journals and newspapers, like the Neue Rheinische Zeitung by communist leader Karl Marx, the Neue Preußische Zeitung, co-founded by the later Prussian Prime Minister Otto von Bismarck, or the satirical magazine Kladderadatsch. It was apparent that the old order could not just be restored. The German desire for a unified nation, liberty or not, was just too strong. Almost 25 years later, that wish was granted, ironically enough by King William I of Prussia, whose brother had rejected the crown during the Revolution. Many revolutionaries like Wilhelm Liebknecht and Ferdinand Lassalle, two of the founding fathers of German social democracy, found their way into politics. Others went into exile in the United States, where they made their mark on history as the so-called 48ers. Lorenz Brentano, the former president of the Provisional Republic of Baden, ended up in Illinois, where he served as a representative. His old rival Gustav Struve moved to New York, where in 1860 he joined the regiment of his old companion, General Ludwig Blenker, another German revolutionary, to fight in the American Civil War. His friend Friedrich Hecker also engaged in the Civil War by recruiting an entire regiment of German expats, which was led by General Franz Sigel, who had fought with him at Kandern. And former student leader Karl Schurz, who had fought in Baden during the May uprisings, also served as a Northern general in the American Civil War and later as Secretary of the Interior under President Rutherford B. Hayes. The Revolution of 1848 was a pivotal moment in German history. While it ultimately failed, it still changed Germany's political landscape and paved the way for the unification in 1871. And the great political movements of the late 19th century, like the rise of social democracy. Sadly, nowadays, it has been overshadowed by the taint of fascism, genocide, and world war. But in the time of rising political division, violence, and authoritarianism, it might be all the more important to remember that there was a time in history when Germans fought for unity and justice and freedom.